Hi, I'm Delane with Covenant Plumbing. It's important to know what types of pipe are in your home. There are 5 main types of piping used in plumbing: brass, copper, galvanized, cast iron, and PVC. No pipes are perfect, but some pipes are better than others. Brass and copper can last over 50 years, but both are susceptible to corrosion. Galvanized pipes can also last 50 years, but since they haven't been used since the 1960s, they are nearing the end of their life cycle. Most cast iron pipes can last for 100 years, but they are used mainly in drains. Lastly, PVC pipes have a great life, but struggle when exposed to the elements. Knowing about your piping helps you understand the type of maintenance and care they might need. Bring in the best to make a solid plan for your home. Our pros at Covenant Plumbing are ready to serve you.